Vietnam is a long, narrow nation shaped like the letter S. It is in Southeast Asia on the eastern edge of the peninsula known as Indochina. Vietnam borders China to the north, Laos and Cambodia to the west, and shares maritime border with Thailand through the Gulf of Thailand, and the Philippines, Indonesia and Malaysia through the South China Sea. Its capital is Hanoi and the largest city is Ho Chi Minh City. The mountains of Annam rise over most of the western side of Vietnam, while a 1,000-mile coastline dominates the east. It covers 311,000 square kilometers with a population of over 96 million. It is the world's 15th most populous country. Vietnam's northern terrain is a mostly mountainous or hilly, with some highlands area covered by the thick green blanket of jungle. The Red River Delta and the coastal plains in the lowland part of the north are heavily populated and intensively cultivated. The southern part of Vietnam is dominated by the estuary of the Mekong River and is low, flat, frequently marshy. The rich soil in the Mekong Delta is the most fertile in the country. Vietnam is a largely a tropical monsoon country. In the north, a hot rainy season prevails from May to September. In the south, Ho Chi Minh City and the Mekong Delta experience a yearly round tropical climate with daily temperature normally exceeding 88 degrees Fahrenheit. These are some geographical facts of Vietnam. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you so much. Take care.